check it out. I've got this Pullin Pro PR 4218. Nice chainsaw, little 42cc I believe it is, 18-inch, nice chainsaw. Problem with it is not designed for use up here above 3,000 feet. And so I'm going to show you today how to adjust the carburetor on this thing. It'll start and it'll run, but it won't, like sometimes you'll gas it, you let off and it stalls. Like it has too low of a low idle. So we're going to show you how to get that fixed up. I'm using this, it's a HIPAA toolkit. You can pick these things up. They are not all that expensive, and it's kind of awesome, man. So depending on what tools you need, we got everything. All the different weird shaped stuff is available here. There's some Torx bits here and some Allen head stuff, and there's like some of those odd shaped ones in here as well. And we'll figure out which one. Here's a square bit. So a lot of these manufacturers are using some really unusual stuff to make carburetor adjustments, so I had to pick that up. The other part that's kind of cool about it is it does come with all these little brushes, really fine brushes. Hard to see. Look at all those little teeny fine brushes. Those are for adjusting or cleaning jets on carburetors. So if you stick a regular pin into a carburetor, you're going to damage it. But with these, if you go with the right size, you can actually make those adjustments. As far as how to adjust on this, it's a little hard for you to see. I'm going to get a flashlight. Hopefully that helps the situation some. But way down inside of there are two. There's a low and a high. And we're going to be adjusting the low idles. So the first thing we need to do is figure out what size it is. It's a little hard for me to see in there, but I'm thinking it's something like that. Close, a little too big looks like, so let's go one size down on that. Let's see, that would probably be that one there. Yep. Let's go with the in-between here. There we go. Okay, so splined, and you can, I don't know how well you can see in there, but that's what we're going to be adjusting. You're just going to slide it in there. I'll get the flashlight on it again so you can hopefully see in that hole. Let me zoom the camera in on it as well. You see down in there? I'll pull this one out. See those in there? That's what we're adjusting, the low and the high. Okay, so let's take it outside. Now that we've got our right, it's a splined adjuster. We're going to take that outside there with this HIPAA kit, fire it up, and we'll make a little adjustment. I want my low idle to be just a bit higher. That's pretty much what we're aiming for here. Let's do it. That's it, my friends. Just minor adjustments with that little kit that I picked up. We'll get you fixed right back up. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these. This is from HIPAA, and this kit covers weed whackers, chainsaws, and some small lawn mowers like push mowers and whatnot. Till next time, my friends, take care.